Hello, today we'll be replacing the spark plugs on the 2009 Chevy Corvette ZR1. And the first thing we do is pop off the engine cover. And now we want to remove the spark plug wire. You want to remove them by pulling on the boot, not the wire itself. To free up a stuck spark plug wire, rotating the boot might make it easier to remove. And we can now go ahead and remove the spark plug using a spark plug socket and a short extension, plus a 3/8 ratchet. Once it feels loose enough, you can remove it by hand. And this is what the spark plug looks like. And these are the spark plugs I'll be using. And this is a spark plug gap tool that I'll be using. I'll be gapping the spark plugs to 40 thousandths. And these spark plugs come factory gapped at 25 thousandths. So we gotta open up the gap a bit. If your spark plug gap is too small, it could cause an insufficient burn in your combustion chamber. And on the other hand, if your gap is too wide, it could cause misfires due to the voltage being insufficient enough to jump the gap. But when you add a power adder like a nitrous supercharger or turbo, you need a smaller gap so your spark doesn't blow out. And the gap now is just about right. You want it to have a slight drag to it. And we want to do the same to the remaining spark plugs. And we can now install the new spark plug. And now to reinstall the spark plug wire, you also want to make sure that it clicks in on both ends. And now to do the same on the remaining 7 spark plugs. And this is a really bad spark plug. And as you can see, the tip is pretty much not even there anymore. And this one might be even worse than the previous one. It's not what you would expect on a 40,000 mile car. And this one's a little more normal. And now onto the passenger side. And that just about completes the spark plug replacement on the Corvette ZR1.